We're now going to quickly modify our vertical geometry so that we can take into consideration these pipes. So just expand your long section view and do a zoom all. And then we want to edit this alignment string. So to do this, we click on F6, or we click on the edit string, or we go up to strings editor. And just pick on the alignment string and accept it. And once again, our edit super alignment panel will pop open. In order to extend our vertical IP point out to here somewhere to go over the top of these pipes, we could do two things. Once again, we could insert another IP on grade, or alternatively we can click on the edit toolbar and go down to extend. We can then pick on point number 2 and accept it, and then we could manually drag this out to wherever we want it, or we can type in a chainage. So we'll type in 202, and it also requires a height, but the height is irrelevant because we're following a fixed grade, so we can just put in a space and hit 0 and then enter. And you can see we've now extended IP number 2 out past chainage 200 to 202. We now want to change our vertical curve because that one's a little bit steep for the grade we're going into. So once again, we go into the edit column, go down to change curve, pick on number 2 and accept it, and we'll change this to 130 and hit enter. This gives us a much better curve, and you can see we well and truly clear our surfaces. If we now go back into our perspective view and drive along the road, once again setting our eye height to 5, pick on our string. It's easiest to pick it in one of the long section view maybe. Into our perspective view and click on drive. You can see when I stop just here that my pipes are still above the ground. If I use my orbit button, you can see here the pipes are still above the ground. In order to fix this, just because we've changed our alignment doesn't mean we've done anything to recalculate it. So we can, for the first time, we can use our recalc panel. And in this case, we go down to recalc, walk right, and we simply select road 1 apply. And OK. And you can see now, instantly, our pipes are underneath the road. We don't have as much cut as we previously had, and our pipes go well underneath the road.